Okay, class. Here is a video that will show you how to set up your business card in Photoshop. Um, so I'm in Photoshop. I'm going to create a new document, and I'm going to make sure that my document is the correct size. That is pretty much the most important thing, right? So I'm going to use a standard business card size. And that this information is in your module, or you can actually Google it, but it's 3.5 inches by 2, and the resolution should be 300. So if you want to get it printed, you can do that. I'm going to keep this CMYK. All of these other options are okay. So it's going to be a horizontal business card for me. So whatever you decide is up to you for yours. Okay. So I decided that mine is going to be two-sided. I'm going to do one with you, and then I'll show you how I'm going to do the other one. So it's pretty straightforward. One side is going to have all the information, and the other side, I just want color. And my Instagram handle. So just want to kind of keep it simple. Okay, so right now we've got the correct size of the layout. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to save it to my desktop. I have a folder where all of my files are going. This card. This is going to be the front. Save. Okay. And the second thing I need here is my logo from Illustrator. And so I actually have Photoshop and Illustrator open. Click on Illustrator. This is my final logo when I picked, my typeface. So I'm going to select this, copy it, edit, copy. I'm going to go back to Photoshop. I'm going to do edit, paste, and I'm going to hit pixels is fine. I'll click OK. Right, and I'm going to make sure this is positioned the way I want it. So I basically just want it centered and not too big, right? Okay, so whatever your elements are for your business card, just make sure it's the way you want it, right? So if you were going to replace it, and just as a reminder, you would go free transform to make it larger or smaller. Then you'll hit return. And I'm going to hit save. Okay. I'm going to open up a new file. Same thing. It's going to be the back. All right. 2. And create. Okay. I'm going to save this. It's going to be called the back. Okay. This is Instagram handle. So what I'm going to do is I want to pick this bright orange. Okay. And I'm going to fill this with the color. So this is currently my foreground color, right? Or you can pick it yourself, and I'll click OK. And there it is. And then I'm going to get my text layer. Okay. I'm going to double check to make sure that I've got the right font or typeface that I put in my style guide. I'm not going to do all caps. So if you want, you can find the Instagram logo, but you can drop it in. I just want to use this for now, for our demo. Okay. And so I want to, make this so it's centered on the back. Right. So you can see here, you've got the front, right, of my business card. They flip it over and they have my contact information. Right. Sometimes you might want to put your phone number, up to you. They can text you. But this is what I'm going to have. So I'm going to save this as a JPEG so I can post it in Canvas. And same for this one. Okay. And so that is, how you get your business card formatting, and the size is important in Photoshop. If you're going to do a square card or a different size, or if you're going to make it so it's vertical and not horizontal, just double check your measurements, and that's what you would plug into that new document layout window. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Okay, thanks.